Hello, people. Am I audible? Yeah, so let's talk about this new tool slash medium that I'm currently working with. Yeah, you're right. Mechanical pencil or touch pencil. So, I recently saw these beautiful LEDs of different colors online, and guess what? I decided to get myself one. If you are watching my scribble series, you might be familiar with this one medium that I'm working with on this video today. So basically these lavender colored LEDs barely marks the surface. They somewhat feel and behave like a hard lead pencil, like an edge or two-edge pencil. So initially I was like, what did I get myself into? And I was upset with the performance and then got frustrated by how the scribble came out to be. So one beautiful evening, I did a little still life sketch for practice. And I decided to take it as a challenge to complete the whole sketch in one sitting with this one medium. So I knew I have to draw something basic, right? And what better than an apple? As we say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And in art we say, we don't say anything. So this basic sketch study didn't really make me fall in love with the medium, but it did make me like it a bit more. And so I'm still not losing hope on this one. So if you have used this or have any suggestion for how I can use this, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Meet me right here every Friday. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें, सुरक्षित रहें। जय हिंद।